Timeline Radio Sports. It's your boy Dumisane. Ngihamba noBhungane la. Baba Sipho. Unjani mfowethu?
Siyaphila sibonge nje opportunity ukuthi nathi sivele la ku Timeline Radio Sports.
Yeah, Timeline vele TV. Mfoka baba. Yilo lolo daba. Saphethe yona iKaizer Chiefs neCape Town City. Ubone kanjani mfoka baba? Awusinike nje.
Yeah, I think as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, we must stop complimenting performance kungana victory, yabo. After all, Chiefs is a big team, so kumele sithola ama results, yabo. Asikwazi complimenta nje performance whereas singawinanga. And again, coach, I think plan B bengekho. And for me it was disappointing because Cape Town City nje bengekho kulo match. So for me nje it draw unacceptable.
It's unacceptable baba.
Yeah.
Okay. And then njengoba ukhala ngocoach uthi bekangena plan B, ngibone abuye nga almost similar starting 11 besides ukuthi bekungena Modi this time, but ke almost nje 90% ye scheme adlale ngaso last ubuya ngaso futhi and manje nase siyam disappoint kule game lena. So ungathini maybe mhlambe nje ukusibonisa ukuthi what was the plan kahle kahle ka coach le wena oyikhalelayo kangaka?
Yeah, I think for me now, talking about the plan B, change information, approach ngayi game. If you udlala 4-5-1, ayisebenzi, zama ukuthi uzame noma 4-3-3. Sacrifice imiddle yakho because strong lapho noma defense, then add ku attack because into esihlulile today ama goals. Yabo, asihlulile kakhulu. So I think bekumele nje change information. Azame noma 4-4-2 noma 4-3-3.
Okay, but now kumasithi siyabheka because with uDupree's phambili and then uno Lilepe this time plus no Sereno ngasasayidini, it will turn out to be also le 4-3-3 at the end of the day mangabe uthi uyayidlala, but ke iphinde futhi pushe nabo nkwesingiphile ngcobo ba edenyana lapha. But we saw ukuthi labantu expect ukuthi bascorele kube yibe ngathi bameyisa ama goal. Okay baba.
Yeah. So, I think enye into i-4-3 nayo ine approach yayo. Yayibona le kaLilepo no Sereno bavela as ama-winger, yabo. Beyizoba ngcono le stickayo, especially 4-4-2 sibe nje ne-track ezi2 for ones ezistickayo lapha ku9 zingasuki. Then still sibe nawo lama-winger azolobangena, especially nje abo Solomon lento bebaloku bayenza beba right, but nje I think nje thina sileke kakhulu kuma final touch wethu, yabo ne finishing.
And then the substitute kankwesiphile ngcobo ye second half time uyibone kanjani?
In surprisingly yona because bengingakaboni isidingo se substitute and angikhona ngokuthola reason ukuthi ukhishweleni. Ngaphinde ngadisappointwa kuye futhi uMatlow ungenile instead ukuthi aphakamise igame uvele wayidropa nje, so nayo ingidisappointile kakhulu.
Yeah, because looking at ama substitute we Kaizer Chiefs, I feel like ukuthi most of them akunanto engathi beyiserious bebayenza. Most of them kube nje I think uVilakazi ungenile ngathi ubengcononyana, but with you Matlow uyopule Modi, yes ungenile eboxini but ama decision awathatha lo kayaqhubeka ngathi abaphuka.
Yeah, true mfethu. Hayi yona injalo futhi.
Ayikho into engaka singakhuluma ngayo ngeCape Town City today. Angibonanga into serious bebayenza. I will say nje ukuthi igame it was dull, igame yeKaizer Chiefs neCape Town City besinga expectanga ukuthi kungaba ilento lebeyiyo namhlanje. But ke asibonge Bhungane ukuthi uthathe isikhathi sakho bekanye nathi ebusukwini banamhlanje for le game yeKaizer Chiefs neCape Town City. Ungathini lakhe lokugcina sovala?
Ngicabanga ukuthi eCase ye league kungizwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi sesihlala sidlalela i-top 8 siyiclub enkulu kangaka, yabo. And siyawazi ngama chances weNetbank ukuthi a very slim ngapha, so isizini yethu ngathi isheshe yaphela, but ke asibene nehope, sithemba ukuthi ucoach ufundile ngama mistakes, game plan, approach nokushintsha information. Yeah.
I know. Asithembe ke ukuthi izinto zihamba kahle. Good luck futhi na kuNetbank. Asazi ufuna ukuthola bani?
Ngizokhuluma nje iqiniso ngebe msula mina. Mina ngicela isikhukhulu.
Uzicelela isikhukhulu.
Ngicela isikhukhulu.
Singakukhukhuli isikhukhulu. Asibonge mfoka baba ukuthi usijoinile, sibonge kakhulu. Siyacela ke na kumavuwasi ukuthi si subscribe lapha yana, si click nje. bathi ID ingwana betting. Subscribe yini bafethu, silandeleni channel. Zonke into enizidingayo ze sports zitholakala lana eTimeline Sports. Abona siyabonga.